Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted YouTube videos. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged in with the YouTube channel account, where the video was originally uploaded. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Help and Feedback. Once you're on the Help page, tap on Contact Us. In this message field, explain that your YouTube video was accidentally deleted and you'd like to request recovery. Then, tap Next, select Other, and tap Next Step. Scroll down and tap Next Step again. Just follow what I did in this video. Make sure to include the link to the deleted video in your message. Providing the exact video link will increase the chances of successful recovery. And that's it. That's how you can request YouTube to help you recover a deleted video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.